I'd like to circle back since you mentioned there's a possibility it will run for councilor.
What? Why not? Because I am only after, ang ako dyan is, I just want to serve. Na naman akong anak, he will run for mayor, Mikel. Oh, if an election will be tomorrow, he will have to run. I had no choice. Why? Sa may nakadaog, Partido Barog kami, Partido Barog Pildi, Alcance. Ako, Partido Barog, Alcance. Don, Alcance. O patrami ka buok, actually. So, when you talk about ascendancy sa Partido Barog, kani, ako, Mikel, o si Dondon, o patrumi.
Anong konsehal man mayor? Anong dili man vice mayor or?
Number one, hinangol lang ka na, sige lang ka gusto babaw. I mean, Mikel is a young man. Dondon is a young man. I mean, let them ngalan na to, do their share. Na kami, mga elders, we will be around to help them. Gusto sila o ako'y muhead sa DPS, I will head the DPS. Gusto sila ako'y muhead sa DGS, I will head the DGS. Kung gusto sila city administrator, okay na dyan go. Ang pinaka-importante, the show must go on. And the will of the people should be respected. That is parliamentary procedure.